Company Secretary from Jaipur. In this video, we are going to discuss about rectification of the name of the company. Rectification of the name of the company deals by the Section 16 of the Companies Act 2013, and in this video, we will understand what is the rectification of name, what are the reasons due to which the rectification of name situation of rectification of name is arised, and what are the solution for in case rectification of name is received from the regulator. तो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं कि रेक्टिफिकेशन ऑफ नेम किस तरीके से हम जो है कर सकते हैं, किस तरीके से जो है पूरा प्रोसेस हमको करना होगा और कौन कौन से प्रोविजंस को हमको जो है कंप्लाई करना है व्हेन वी आर डूइंग द रेक्टिफिकेशन ऑफ नेम. राइट, लेट्स स्टार्ट द प्रोसेस. इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी रिलेटेड टू दिस, तो you can also contact on the number given on the screen. Thank you very much for giving support. And this, first of all, when the existing name or when the company is registered with the existing name or new name and such name is identical with or nearly resembles with the name of an registered company, so in that case rectification of name, the order of rectification of name may be received from the regulator, right? And when the RD, regional director, give orders for rectification of name, if it come to the notice that existing name is obtained in contravention of Rule 8 of Company Incorporation Rule 2014, in that case also the rectification of name is done. When the owner of registered trademark submits application to the effect that name is identical or too nearly resembles to the registered trademark, in that case जो है आपको rectification of name के लिए एप्लीकेशन लगानी पड़ेगी. किस तरीके से कौन कौन से प्रोविजंस को जो है वो यहाँ पर आपको कंप्लाई भी करने हैं साथ के साथ जब when you are doing the rectification of name. Sections for section 13, section 15, section 16, section 96, section 100 and 173 of the Companies Act 2013 and Rule 6 and 29 of Companies Incorporation Rule 2014. ये आपको जो है प्रोविजंस कंप्लाई करना है. मैंडेटरी रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है? कंपनी जो है सेल इंटीमेट करेगी द आरओसी अबाउट द चेंज ऑफ नेम, चेंज ऑफ इट्स नेम, file the ROC annual return, financial statement, any other report or document to the registrar of company, and अगर ये चीजें नहीं करेगी तो उसको rectification of name is not allowed. तो प्रोसीजर क्या रहने वाला है? First of all, you have to call the board meeting of the board of directors. The company shall convene a meeting of board of directors to pass a resolution for approving the proposal for rectification of name. Right. After that, refer the procedure for conducting for the detailed procedure. Alteration of memorandum of article of association. Right. So the memorandum and article of association shall be altered by passing a resolution in accordance with the provisions of Companies Act 2013 to give effect to the rectification of name of the company. After that, file e-form run with the ROC. The company shall file e-form run with the registrar of companies to obtain approval of the proposed new name along with the below mentioned attachment. Copy of BR, and if proposed name is based on the trademark, so in that case to obtain the NOC, name approval certificate from ROC. The registrar of company shall grant name approval certificate subject to certain timelines. After that, convene extraordinary general meeting. The company shall convene an extraordinary general meeting of its member to pass a resolution, special resolution for approval the proposal of rectification of name of the company. After that, file e-form MDT 14 with the ROC. The company shall file e-form MDT 14 with the registrar of companies within 30 days of passing the special resolution in duly convened general meeting. After that, file INC 24 for approval central government. The company shall file application for rectification of name in INC 24 within 30 days of passing the resolution. So this is the whole process for rectification of name. I hope you will able to understand all of the minute details about the rectification of name. If you have any query, you can also contact on the number given on the screen, and if you have also query related to the income tax, GST, import export, so you can also contact on the number given on the screen. Thank you very much for watching this video.